Dinner's finally ready and we're ready to plate everything. The Hawaiian pork looks nice and tender. It's been braising for about an hour and 15 minutes. Let's get some of this pork on the plate. Like that. I'm going to get some nice peppers and onions and lemongrass. That looks nice. And then we're going to add the crunchy braised cabbage. And finally, our charred and delicious pineapple tomato skewers. And finally, a little bit of sauce over the whole thing. And we're just going to finish this with a little bit of crispy water chestnuts and some scallions and serrano peppers. And I hope you enjoyed making this delicious Hawaiian pork with braised cabbage and pineapple skewers dish with me.